Alright, now let's add sound and let's make it a little different. So let's see, go in here, pictures, bring this guy into the picture. Alright, let's put you on instead. And let's bring in game object, audio source. So think of this as a virtual speaker. So for example, if this speaker was way out, you hear it very low. The closer it is to the camera, the louder it is. Alright. Next, we are going to need our sound. So let's get our sound, which I have in downloads. Let's see, 1238. I edited it, so let's drag this over here. Let it load. Alright. Now let's make a, let me see if I can drag this into the main assets folder. Just to be a little more organized. Put sound. Alright. Now what we have to do here is have to go to image target. Default trackable behavior event, I believe. Let's see. Image target behavior. Yes. Let's edit this script. Now we're going to want to maximize these things here. Alright. And let me get my cheat sheet. To my left here. Audio track. Okay. Now, we're going to create two public variables just like we did for the rotation. And they are going to be, let's see, we're going to put them under where it says protected variable members. We're going to put them here. So we're going to put public and then audio source. So the source of our audio, a source. And then public audio clip. And then let's name that a clip. Close that out. Alright. And now we need to play these sounds when it's found, and when it's lost we need to stop. So if we look here, we'll see one that says trackable found, trackable lost. Let's see. Yep. And this is what we need to edit here. We have to add something to it. So first of all, let's make sure that our public variables stuck, which were audio source and audio clip. So let's go back into Unity. Let's click our image target. Let's see. Oh, it's refreshing. Let's see if it added those variables for us. So there it is, an a source and a clip. Okay. So now let's go back into the editor, and where it is found. Alright. If m trackable behavior dot trackable name is equal to, and let's put curly brackets here, and what is the name of what we're tracking. So in order to find that out, the image target's name is part 2, so what we want to pass in here is part 2. So if part 2 is found, what do we want to do? Okay, so what we want is our a source dot play one shot. And what's our one shot? It's going to be our a clip. We want our a clip to play, and then we can copy the same script or the same if statement here, and when it's lost, leave that blank. We want it to stop. Okay, let's save that. Let's go back here. Alright, to refresh. Now we need to add the source into source, the clip into clip, and seems to be done. And let's find out if this works. Let me bring up the image while that's loading. Okay, I got it on my phone, camera's on. Let's see. Why no sound? Let's find out. Alright, so let's take a look at our code. And I believe plan awake. Okay. Let's try that again. If not, I'll have to go back to my cheat sheet and figure out what I did wrong. And let's pay attention to the bottom of the screen where it tells you if it's found or not found. So let's see. We'll go found. Still don't hear anything. At least that part's working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause, go to my cheat sheet, and see what I did wrong. So it was user error. So my problem was that I told you to put this name, but this is the name of the database. I want the name of the image target. So my dumb self put the name of the database. So when I change it to the actual image target, also I forgot to mention too, you don't necessarily have to put them on the protected member variables. You could, but as long as they're within this class. So this is the start of the class all the way down here, but you want it before your if and then if statement. So you can put it at the very top, so you know, like the very top of the class. So I took them out of here and put them here. I can actually put a little space. Yeah, so that didn't matter, but what really mattered was the name. So obviously I had the wrong name. So let's test it out. Again, if you pay attention to the bottom, it'll tell you when it's trackable and when it's lost. So it's to start when it's tracked and stop when it's lost. Ready? It's working. There we go. Now you know how to add audio, how to stop and play audio. In the next one, I guess we can do video. It's pretty simple. It's pretty much kind of same thing as pasting a picture. You would just put a video in, but I'll show you that in the next video. Until next time.